So, ang product natin is Ariel Sunrise Fresh. So, ang packaging appearance niya is size square, and the packaging color niya is green, blue, red, and yellow. So, try natin buksan. So, yan. Kulay white siya, and then may green and red siya na color. Para saan nga ba yung red? Red ay siya yung nagpapabango ng damit, and then yung green, siya yung nagkikil ng mga dirt para mawala doon sa damit yung dumi. So, yun. So, doon naman tayo sa active ingredients. Tingnan natin. Meron siyang citric acid. Para saan nga ba ang citric acid? Citric acid remove dirt soil on the clothes. Then, may supric acid din siya. Para saan nga ba ang supric acid? Dehydrates the cellulose fibers in a cotton cloth, thereby tearing them. Then, may sodium silicate din siya. Para saan nga ba ang sodium silicate? Used as cleaning, wool scaring, bleaching, and depiction. Sodium chloride. Para saan nga ba ang sodium chloride? Use help build viscosity, making your liquid laundry detergent more thin and less running. Guide ng precautions naman tayo. So, ang nakalagay dito is, keep out of reach of children. Do not ingest. If product ingest, seek medical advice. Keep away from eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. So, sa efficacy rate naman tayo. Para sa akin, 99% siya kasi this detergent I've been used especially in white laundries. It's easy to remove the dirt and maintain the white color of the shirt. And also, it smells good even you don't use the fabric conditioner. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.